that the Africa CDC, as a specialized technical agency of the African Union, has issued a statement, and you can find that statement on our website, which essentially does three things. One is that it recognized that the fact that the head of state of Madagascar gave a presentation of that remedy during a meeting, a video conference meeting with the Bureau of the Head of State, and that was simply information sharing. Second is that after that presentation, we, the African Union Commission, under the leadership of Excellency Commissioner Amira, and I met with the ambassador or the representative of the Embassy of Madagascar to ask for an opportunity to understand more what the remedy is about, and thirdly, to invite the scientists from Madagascar who are driving this process to join our technical working group, which is the African Task Force for Coronavirus Preparedness and Response, so that we can better understand what they've done, what the remedy is about, and they can share data with us. We are looking principally at two things. We are looking at safety data, and we are looking at efficacy data. What exactly do they do? We know that Madagascar has very competent researchers, very competent public health experts, and we are sure that and convinced that in the coming days they will join, they will take our offer, and we'll sit down and look very carefully into what was done and what the results and outcome was, and then we'll be able to understand and make the appropriate recommendation. I'll just end there by saying that regardless of what the challenge we have at hand, there are always two things that we must remember. First is that any medication, remedy that anyone lays a claim on must have gone through an independent clinical trials or evaluation. Second is that that evaluation has to show that it is safe. And secondly, that is efficacious. Those are three things that we are looking at, and that it was conducted ethically. So I think those are standards that are known all over, and WHO has published that over the years, and all respected organizations adhere to those standards. It is a fact that local remedy on the continent has proven over the years to be extremely valuable as part of our overall healthcare system. We should not neglect that. And with Africa CDC, as your specialized technical agency, it stands by to work with anyone who has any product that can bring a solution to this war that I just described. The African Union also has regulatory bodies with NEPAD that we can work together as part of the task force that we established called the African Task Force for Coronavirus Preparedness and Response to test and tease out some of these remedies there. We should not discount anything at this point. We should know that the solutions may come completely from unexpected quarters, but all we ask is that it should be a standard way of doing things that follow a standard protocol that is known, in the scientific community, and that scientists and public health experts should be leading these efforts in the country, and no one should be in a haste to declare and make any announcement on any remedy or herbal product that has not been tested rigorously. It's very important that the two key things are protected, which is safety and efficacy of those remedies.
Well, many countries